Sabah everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to check out some Poetic cases made specifically for our Google Pixel 6, Pixel 6 Pro, as well as the Pixel 5a that were basically all recently announced and launched. So let's not waste any time. My name is TK. Let's go ahead and check out these cases for our brand new Pixels. Like and subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell icon so that you're always notified to whenever we have new videos on the channel. So Poetic was nice enough to send me cases specifically for the Pixel 6 Pro, the Pixel 6, as well as the Pixel 5a. Now, one thing to keep in mind, the Pixel 5a is the one that still looks pretty much like the design that we had last year, and the 6 and the 6 Pro, well actually not this one, but the 6 and the 6 Pro are the ones that have the new camera bump on the back, as we see here on the Pixel 6 Pro. The Pixel 6 is just basically a little bit smaller than this, and that's one of the biggest differences, but overall the design is pretty much the same. And of course, Google did include this case for me in the package that I received, and this one is going to be pretty much almost simplistic case. It does provide us some protection where it provides like a little bit extra lip here on the top, and it gives us the ability of kind of seeing the color of the device. Even though I have mine as the stormy black, you can definitely see here with the green tint here, it looks a little bit more of a blue tone. So we have a couple of designs here. There's going to be basically the Poetic Revolution and the Poetic Guardian. The Poetic Guardian is going to be the one that is basically a solid back with the built-in kickstand that you're able to use, and it pops in the space and opens up. And then of course the Revolution is going to be the one that's see-through. It's pretty much similar to the way we have it here. You get two cases or two experiences in the same case. The backing is going to be pretty much the same, but if you choose, you are able to basically get it with or without the screen protector. And what I mean by this here, if we open up this case, you'll notice that there's a built-in screen protector. This is actually an enclosing case that covers the entire device, front and back, and still gives us access obviously to the fingerprint sensor. But if you don't want the glass or basically the protection here, this is not glass, they do include an extra piece here that allows you to actually just have the casing just cover the device. So you'll notice right there, there's no glass, and it gives you the ability of basically using your own screen protector if you want to use so. Started off, here we have it, the Pixel 5a. Again, the best way to do this essentially is make sure that the actual protector or the screen protector that they have here is very clean. Now make sure that your device is clean as well, and then just go ahead and align it, and it kind of snaps on very easily. And you'll notice here there's an opening for the headphone jack, and of course an opening for all the ports at the bottom. Other than that, all you do basically is insert it to the case itself from the top. Very simple, very easy. And then from there, make sure you grab the plastic or the rubber at the bottom here for the lip, go in, cover, and then you're pretty much set. The device is covered. You have not only an opening for your headphone jack, but also a protector. Opening for the fingerprint sensor, so we can go ahead and unlock the device. Still access, basically swipe down to open notifications. Of course, you can check out some of the other videos. Access to the power button, display off, display on, volume rocker works perfectly. And of course, nothing else on the side. The bottom opening here allows us to still have access to the speakers. And of course, when we want to charge, we can open up this or data transfer on there. Perfectly, works really nice. And last but not least is that kickstand that I talked to you guys about. So great for when you want to basically use the phone in this format. You can put it on the side to be able to watch content on it. It's going to work really nice. Now, I'm pretty sure you guys are wondering, how does the actual case or the little cover here on the top work? So pretty much, as you can imagine, it actually, well, let's go ahead and go home. Works pretty much as you imagine it. It works really nice, and it doesn't really affect the performance on the device. It is not adhered, or there's no glue here, so there is a little bit of a space between that piece of plastic and your device. So you just need to be aware. And you notice right there, I kicked up one-handed mode. Very nice, works great, and it's going to work the same experience here. So same case, Pixel 6 Pro, pretty much same experience, and looks really nice. The one I decided to go with my Pixel 6 Pro was the actual Revolution one, because it is see-through and I get to enjoy the color of my device. Same experience, no plastic, you can put that in there. And at this point, pretty much I would recommend sliding in the bottom part first, since it does have that extra groove. Put that in there, and then just push in, and you're pretty much set. It works pretty much as advertised. It does provide us that little bit of extra protection. It raises around the camera. It does not add that much thickness. It is protected on the edges at the top, bottom, and right. And of course, it still gives us access to the edges here. Even though we have basically a curved display here, it still works very nicely. It's clear on the back, so whichever version of the Pixel 6 or 6 Pro that you're going to pick up, you'll be able to see the color of your device, and it has that nice little word Poetic here at the bottom. Now, I'm pretty sure you guys want to see exactly how does the one with the screen protector work on the 6 Pro and the 6. One thing you'll notice here that there is a word here that says peel off, so that's on the actual inside. You notice here it's a little bit background. So this is going to be basically that part that actually will adhere to our display to provide the least resistance between the display and the plastic protector. Now, for that, recommend you first clean up your display. Make sure your display is entirely clean, very nice. And you notice that there is actually a little bit of an icon here that tells us where the fingerprint sensor is going to be. So we cleaned this here. We're going to go ahead and remove the plastic piece. So this is already removed. And at this point, all we need to do is just insert the display directly in with the least amount of wiggle in there, so we don't introduce any kind of problems. So go ahead and put that in. Go ahead and reinsert it into the case itself. And at this point, all we have to do is unlock our phone, and it works just as advertised. The reason behind it, again, what it's providing us essentially is a small amount of adhesive. You can see it right there with the reflection. It's essentially sticking to my display so that it provides the least amount of separation, because there is a little bit of a give here. And otherwise, this pretty much is going to be unlock your phone and you use it, and it works really nice. There's no question that Poetic really focused on the experience here for the Pixel 6 Pro, the 6, as well as the 5a. All of them are going to work perfectly fine with the fingerprint sensor, whichever system that you're using. The ones that do have it in display, just make sure that you keep it clean, use the adhesive, and then put it on there, and it will stick to the display. The overall performance is not really impacted, so that's the biggest thing that you would probably want to notice. Swiping, everything works pretty much the same. It doesn't really add any glare there. It is not glass, so it is plastic. So my personal recommendation, if you do want to pick up glass protectors for this, use the see-through one, or at least the one that does not have the protector, and then just put it in there. All of this is included in one package, and of course, should be able to provide you the best protection for your Pixel 6, 6 Pro, and 5a. Like and subscribe as usual. Thank you very much for the support. Thank you to Poetic for sending me these cases. I'll see you in the next video.